Hi, welcome to Chiquitas Crochet. I just want to share my advancement on the preparation for hashtag jelly postcard play, the challenge that Carrie Griffiths or Carrie the Crafter. um, let's see. Last time I didn't have the edge corners rounded. I did that and inked. I started with I started doing the gold on it, but it made it a bit more like not how you say like everything's gonna be the same uniformed. So I just did it on one, I believe one or two. Not sure. I think just one. Yes, just this one because my cutter for some reason, and I need a new cutter that cuts exactly the size for some reason. And here, let's see if you can barely see it. It doesn't cut straight. It cuts like slanted, and when you turn it around, it cuts slanted on the other side also. So it made a gap here and here. So I what I decided to do was cover the corners. Well, you can see it right here. See why it's slanted from thin to a little bit thicker, like that, and you put more gold on there. So the cutter does that. It's old, but it works, but it just doesn't cut the exact size that I want it. So I used, oh yes, and I backed them up also. They all have an PM Artist Studio has these printables for free. They have one of those, and they have the let's see, the black and white one, which I forgot where I put them. Here you go. It comes like this. So it's the vintage back, and you cut them out. Let's see. I actually just cut them out with the scissors because the trimmer, like I said, doesn't cut correctly that way. And I think I cut about 11 of these to get the 31. Last night I glued them all. And then today I cut the corners. I used, let's see. At first I have was using the We Memory Keeper one. I tried this one, then I tried that one, but it kind of was all. Oh, here's another one. I have I done this? Yes. Okay. It was leaving me some, pointy corners, kind of weird corner. So then I remembered that I had this one, which is the Spellbinders Paper Arts. It's the notch with the corner, and it worked so much better. And decided to redo the corners, and it worked. They're all uniformed on that. And not all of them are inked the same color. Like this one is like inked with Victorian velvet. Distress oxide. I used broken china. I love this one. I honestly thought this was peacock, but and I was using it, and then when I saw I was like broken china, I'm like, oh, it works. So it kind of matches what is the jelly print here, and also used mustard seed. Kind of gives it a little pop on that one. There's broken china. This one here is saltwater taffy. Some of them have that. This is the yellow again, and this is also the yellow, which made it a little brighter. And this one had like white spots on here, so I filled it in with the mustard seed, and it makes it pop. And I love the brightness to it too. So far, this is my favorite postcard. Here's this one, broken china on the edges. This one is carved pumpkin on the edges. I really like this one because it makes it bright. So I get that one. Then this one's Broken China. This one is carved pumpkin on the edges. This one I believe was saltwater taffy. I believe so. Carved pumpkin. This is the only one I believe. I think so. That only has ground espresso. Cause I don't know, nothing else matched to it. So I'm liking that. This one, I didn't want to get another distress oxide out. So what I did was looked at this and which color had a little more. And I used carved pumpkin, the orange one. This one has a villainous potion, which purple. This one has carved pumpkin, made it pop a little more, make more brightness. This one I couldn't decide, so I went with, where'd it go? Okay, Victorian Velvet, and I believe few of them have this one. I kind of messed right there, but okay. So those are the ones that I got. Carved pumpkin, still love that one. That's my second favorite. This one was Broken China. Let's see. This one's saltwater taffy. Broken China. Okay, I'm wrong. Here's another one that I used. Ground espresso. Plus, I thought it was super bright. So I kind of shaded in a little bit here and a little bit over here so it can be focused on this right here. Leaf. This one is, looks like saltwater taffy. Let me see. I think it might, because these two kind of, when you on paper, kind of look similar. I used the orange. Which one did I use? No, I didn't use the orange. I think I used Victorian Velvet. That's one up. Oh, there you go. This one was carved pumpkin. This was Victorian Velvet. Broken China. Broken China. Broken China. I use blue a lot. Villainous Poison. So 2 purples and another Broken China. So I'm finally kind of almost ready for Monday, July 1st. These are all the ones that I picked, all the 30 ones, and I don't know if I need to prep more or not. Maybe I need to gather some things to go on here. So maybe there might be another video or picture or in the community page. So yeah, that is video number, I don't know what number it is, but it's the hashtag jelly postcard play. And I will, after I upload, I always put in the description what is it about. Well, not always, most of the time. Thank you so much for watching. If you are doing this challenge, let me know. Hashtag, use the hashtag, share with people you might think that want to do this challenge, and share, like, subscribe if you like to. Bye.